Hello, hello. So I'm taking a moment to just kind of breathe and pausing from working on a pattern that I'm getting ready to start writing the instructions for. So I thought I would go ahead and open this box since it came, I think yesterday, and I just never got around to opening it because of life's daily distractions. So this is like the fourth order I placed with Indo Kreation this month. And I wasn't going to until she announced some new stuff that was releasing. And I want to do some vintage inspired spring bags. And so some of this will come in handy. Why am I using an awl, you may ask? Probably not, because I don't know what the hell I did with my blade. Actually, hold on. Found it. My kid had me cutting stuff yesterday. All right, so this is just some new webbing. I can't remember if I threw anything else in or not, but we'll see. She always throws in these coffee candies, and I asked for it not to be added last order, and I forgot to ask for this order because I give them to my husband because I don't eat them, and I think he's counting my amount of orders by how much chocolate coffee candy he gets. So I got some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, these ones are the zipper tape. I got 6 zipper tape and 1 thing of webbing. So the webbing is this really cool looking houndstooth. I've never actually used houndstooth in anything before, but I really want to because, you know, it's classic and gorgeous. Let's see here. I can't quite see my angle from here. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That is, and it's a good solid strap too. But it's really good quality. And it's woven and not printed. Don't know what I'll use that on yet, but chances are it's going to be black. Let's keep that in there. And then, of course, I love, anybody who really knows me knows that I'm obsessed with checkers and stripes of the black and white variety. So here is some silver zipper tape with black and white checkers. That is gorgeous. And I got, let's see, 5 yards of this one because I know I'm going to use that one more. And then I only got 3 yards, I believe. Yep, 3 yards of these other ones. So there are other colors other than what I grabbed, but these are the colors that I think I'm more likely to use. So there's a really pretty purple and an orange, green, pink, and there was a few blues. This one is sky blue. So hopefully you can see those pretty well in the packaging. I don't want to open all of them right at this moment. But I just reorganized all of my zipper tape the other day, anticipating this tape coming. So I'm definitely going to need the space. In fact, I'm going to need more space. So, but that is it. Just a tiny little opening. If you have never shopped at Indo Kreation before, you should definitely check it out. She's got a lot of good stuff, and shipping is pretty damn quick. So I'm going to get my ass back over to my computer and get this pattern written out so I can actually get it released to you guys. Bye!